Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love reading and want to find eligible titles for your active subscription, today I'll show you exactly how to navigate the Amazon Books storefront to find Kindle Unlimited books on your desktop browser. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Amazon website. Make sure you are signed into your account. Once the homepage loads, go directly to the top search bar and type in Kindle Books. Alternatively, you can look at the navigation menu row right below the search box and click on the Kindle eBooks shortcut tab that you see right here on my screen. Once the bookstore portal loads, direct your eyes to the secondary menu row sitting directly below the main search bar. You will see several helpful shortcut tools including Shop Books, Categories, New and Trending, and Memberships. If you look right next to those options, you can click on Memberships to open up your active subscription settings directly. Now, look just below that navigation row to find our active filtering tags. To make sure you are only looking at digital books instead of physical paperbacks, look at the Filter By section and click on the Kindle eBooks tag. Right next to it, you can also toggle the orange Kindle Unlimited filter tag to instantly sort the listings. This ensures that every book displayed on your screen can be read completely for free with your membership. Scroll down slightly to look at the main content layout. Under sections like Bestsellers and Amazon Original Books, you can browse through popular trending covers. Notice how eligible titles will clearly display the orange Kindle Unlimited tag right below the author's name, confirming it is ready to download, and that's it. You now know how to filter and find your next favorite read. If this live guide helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.